we'll guide you through how to change the canvas size in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and load the project you're working on. Once your project is open, you need to go to the top menu and click on Image. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the option Scale to New Size. Click on that and a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can adjust the width and height of your canvas. You'll see two fields where you can enter the new dimensions. Make sure that the Constrain Proportions box is checked if you want to maintain the aspect ratio of your image. This is particularly important if you want to avoid distorting the image. After entering the desired dimensions, click OK. Krita will then resize the canvas to the new dimensions you specified. If the image doesn't fit well within the new canvas size, you may need to reposition it using the Move tool to center or adjust it as needed. This tool is accessible from the toolbox on the left side of the screen. Remember, resizing the canvas doesn't affect the resolution of your image, it just changes the workspace size. If you need to adjust the resolution, you'll need to do that separately through the Image menu by selecting Resize Image. But for just changing the canvas size, the steps we went through will do the trick. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.